In this lecture, we are going to learn about different operation toolbar commands, that is corner, chamfer, trim and mirror command. First, select corner command. Before that, make some random sketch. Now select corner command. The first option you will see here is trim all elements. Select trim all elements. Now select this line and this line to give a corner between them. From here we can define the radius of this corner. Give 10 mm radius and enter. This will create a corner of radius 10 mm between these two lines. Again select corner. The next option is trim first element. Select it. Now select this line and this line, left click. Now you can see that the second line we selected did not trim in this option. Again select corner. The next option is no trim. Now select this line and this line, left click. Now you can see that as name says no trim means no line got trimmed. Next option is same as no trim. There is no difference, so leave this option. The next option is construction line trim. Now select this line and this line, left click. Now you can see that both the lines converted into a construction lines. This is used when we want to show from which lines the corner formed. The last option is also same as construction line trim. There is no difference, so leave this option. So this was the basic intro of corner command in Catia.